Hey, what's up guys? Today is March 13th, 2019. It's just a little bit after 2 p.m. and this is the blizzard of 2019. This is for Lupton, Colorado. The roads have been plowed a few times, so I think it's pretty safe to drive around town and kind of check it out and see the status of the blizzard so far. It just started snowing this morning, early morning, I believe. Besides, the power's been out for well over 4 hours in the house, and it's getting kind of cold in there. So I came out, warmed up the truck, and I thought, what the hell? Let's drive around and see what the roads look like, what the town looks like. And I'm sorry, the wipers will adjust the focus of the camera every time they go by, but you can kind of get the drift of the snow drift if you get my message. So yeah, I just wanted to, it's gonna keep going out of focus. That's gonna be horrible. There are people out, as you can see, people cruising by. More than I thought, actually. There's quite a bit of cars on the road here, several. From what I understand from with the weather forecast, that this is going to be a powerful blizzard due to the low pressure. It's the pressure is very low, and it's going to stagnate the storm over the Denver area for quite a while, I'm told. Let's see if I can get out here. Yeah, I can't believe how many vehicles are out on the road. Thought everybody would be at home, but like I said, the power's out, so the house is just getting colder. Kill a couple birds with one stone here. Stay warm, document the blizzard, make sure the vehicle's running, the battery doesn't die in the cold weather. And I don't know if you can tell from the video, but the winds are quite strong, swaying the trees a little bit, and that's one of the things that's making the storm worse right now. Woo. I don't have a four-wheel drive, but I do have some decent snow tires, and I put 300 pounds of sand in the tail, or the bed rather. So hopefully, the streets in town are fairly level. There's not really any hills, so I'm not going to have to fight that too much. Well, the power's on at the gas station. What if we just blew a fuse in the house? I didn't realize the power was on. I thought the whole town was out. But as you can see, the signs at the gas station are lit up. The store looks a little dark. Can't really tell. I don't really see any other lights on it. Sorry for the bouncing there. It's the road. Just got the phone and a cheap tripod on the dash. Try to keep it in place here. So as you can see, the roads have been plowed. I saw a couple trucks up and down my street alone just while I was warming up the car. So they're out. Yeah, I don't see any power in the other buildings. So it might just be from the gas station to that street we're on, Denver and south maybe. So everything else is blacked out over here also. I'm at the gas stations on 1st and South. We're heading north on Denver right now. My apologies. I don't think there's anybody behind me, so I'm not going to go too fast here. But we'll go down to the end of the street and come back around. See what's going on. Yeah, I think the storm's going to last a few days, and it's just going to hover over the Denver area for a while. You can see on the left side there, the garland or whatever it is, just flapping in the wind, or either side actually. Well, Sinclair has lights at there on the gas station there. I wonder if they're open. store looks dull. There's lights inside the store. I wonder if we just blew a fuse at the house. Street lights are working. I'll have to go check it out. Everybody's got their flashers on, but the visibility's not that bad. Consider. I'll put my flashers on just in case. I guess the power's on over here. The sign at the fire department's on also, so looks like they've got power. Chance it and go back on the highway. It's a short trip. I might do that. Seems like the highway's a little bit icier than the roads in the town. So I'm gonna just take my time. No big hurry. biggest challenge right here. This has not been plowed in a while. The exit right here. That's not too bad.